What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error. The application was unable to start correctly, 0xc0000022. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to Google and type in Visual Runtime AIO, which means all in one, until you see this link pop up. It should be the first one, but if not, try to find the Tech Power Up link. Click into this. Then you're going to basically download this file. It's a zip file. You're going to extract it. You don't need an extractor or anything. It's a Windows extractor. Right click into it, extract all, until you see this pop up. In here, you're going to basically right click into this install all bat file. Yours might not say .bat, but you want to basically click into this Windows batch file, right click into it, run as administrator, and it's going to install all of these to basically fix your issue. You can even see like literally downloaded 14 million times, because a lot of folks get these issues with anything C++ related, the Visual Studio stuff related. So doing this fixes a lot of these issues. So basically this is the cleaner and easier and faster workaround rather than uninstalling, reinstalling, or installing the new one, or repairing it, or whatever the situation may be. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, join the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.